Making. What is lap lap?
Lap lap is our traditional food.
Yeah.
Made with local plant food from the garden.
What kind of plants?
Like banana,
Yeah.
cassava, and taro, and yam.
Okay.
It's like growing out from the roots.
Oh, okay.
Grow them everywhere in the bush.
Mhm.
Yeah, we've got nice soil here. So
Yeah.
it's organic. So it's that's what we used to eat. Organic.
That sounds like heaven to live.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah, we're happy. Vanuatu is beautiful and hot.
Yes, I found that out.
Open your door, you see just sun shining. What are you waiting for? All the birds are singing. Have a walk, feel the air, leave your troubles out there. And feel home and safety, you're in the natural country.
It's easy once it's peeled like that with the knife to give it a heat and then open it. I can do that.
Okay, so this is the coconut.
And it looks like a face.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we have two eyes,
2 eyes, yes.
the nose, a mouth.
Yeah. And it looks exactly the face.
Yes.
And we call this coconut is a tree of life
Okay.
because it coconut from the coconut tree to the fruits
Yeah.
and the roots, everything's useful.
Yes.
So leaves can use for roof, house or something. The coconuts you can drink coconut like this one's ripe, but
Yeah.
the green one you can drink the juice and eat the flesh. And this one we use the cream.
Yeah.
Coconut
For
milk
cooking.
And when it falls down to the ground and nobody picks it up, it grows and you can eat the,
Again.
Yeah, again.
Just grows it again. You don't have to plant it inside. So that's very cool. That's like a super fruit.
Yeah. So now as you see, Nicole is gonna split the coconut into half.
Yeah, should be easier.
Get it straight, buddy. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. And
That's it. See?
Crossing people, give a smile on your face, show your light and beauty, and leave your look on all those places. Look around ya, everybody's loving you so. Look behind ya, nobody's gonna hurt you, so sing it.
And you make it every day? No, because lots of work. Yes. Where are you from? Melle? Okay, on Epate.